mistress, I have a little bit of news.
Well, well.
Hey guys, what is up? So as you guys can see, today I have Lauren here with me. Lauren is, and I'm literally like bumping into my headpiece. Lauren is a special effect makeup artist, and as you can see today, she turned me into the one and only
Maleficent.
Yes, girl. I mean, you guys literally have no idea. She worked on this face. She beat this face for about 4 hours. 4 or 5 hours.
It's been a while, yeah.
Like I said, no, it's like literally, you guys, it is almost like 1 a.m. She has been here since 8 p.m. today. She's absolutely unreal. You guys have to check her out. So obviously I decided to bring her on my channel today just so that you guys can see her amazing work. And I mean, hello. I was literally, when I put the earpiece on, I was like, oh my God. I literally
it came together. You look like
even though I have the cheekbones, as you guys all know already, but yeah, those are actual, like,
we took it there. Yeah.
She did that. She's that girl. So yeah, so anyways, you guys, I'm gonna leave her Instagram right over here so that you guys can go ahead and check her out and her amazing work. And also make sure you guys are following me on Instagram because we are going to do another amazing video. We're not gonna tell them just yet.
It's gonna be cool though.
But anyways, you guys, without further ado, let's just get into the Disney princess
Maleficent.
Alrighty, so first things first, I'm color matching to get the correct foundation color we'll be using later. I pre-painted these foam latex cheek prosthetics with a light wash of a mauve color before I actually started applying the pieces. Figure out where you want to place the prosthetic and apply adhesive to the middle of the piece and then work your way out. I'm using a combination of Prozaid, 99% alcohol, and translucent powder to blend the edges down. Next, I'm using a Pax paint that's close to her skin color to cover up that mauve.
Breathe you in like oxygen.
Airbrush time! So the rest of the makeup application will be pretty normal. I'm still going to be concealing under her eyes, and I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Then we're going to go ahead and grab that airbrush and lay down her foundation as well as her contour.
I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning.
We're keeping the eye look pretty simple. I'm using the Morphe 35O Nature Glow palette and throwing some neutral browns in the transition and crease area, and then some lighter shades for the lid to keep it bright. And we cannot forget about Maleficent's bright green eyes, so after popping in some contacts, apply some falsies. Here we're using Slay Lashes. To finish painting the face, apply a red lip before putting on Maleficent's iconic headpiece, and you are good to go.
So that completes our Maleficent 2 tutorial, you guys. Definitely, as you guys also, she nailed that. She did that, as I was saying. And Angelina Jolie says, for the third Maleficent, we have Lauren right over here. So make sure you give her a call and you either have...
Trust me.
And that is pretty much it. How did you have it here on this channel?
Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. This is my first YouTube video that I've ever filmed, and I just can't thank you enough.
I didn't even know that this is one.
Yeah,
guys, she's so great on camera. I didn't even know until literally the second that it's her first time, but okay.
Yes, but no, I really can't thank you enough for letting me come here and do this with you.
Stop.
I've had so much fun.
Yeah, it was like fun for me. I literally, you guys, this is the first time in like a Halloween that I'm sitting on a chair not doing anything.
Right?
So I'm like, okay.
Yeah, it's hard to just like sit back sometimes, but you were great. Thank you so much.
Oh my God, no, you guys, she's really, really amazing. Make sure you check her out, her work, and that is pretty much it. We love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys on the next time. Bye.